And welcome, aspiring knitters. Today, we're diving deep into the fantastic world of knitting, crafted especially for beginners. We're going to demystify everything, so you can confidently start your knitting journey. Forget the guesswork, we're going to break down every step, clearly and simply, ensuring you have a solid understanding from the very beginning. First things first, the essential tools. You'll need a set of knitting needles. These come in a variety of sizes, which are crucial, as they influence the size and texture of your knitted fabric. Always consult your pattern for the recommended needle size. This is usually indicated by a number on the needles themselves. You'll also need yarn. Choosing the right yarn is important, especially when starting. For your initial projects, select a smooth, easy to work with yarn. Great options include acrylic or a soft wool blend, as these are less prone to splitting and make it easier to see your stitches. Don't forget a pair of sharp scissors for cutting your yarn and a tapestry needle, also known as a yarn needle, for neatly weaving in those pesky ends, to give your work a polished and professional finish. Also helpful, though not essential, is a stitch marker to keep track of rows or patterns. Now, let's master the basics. The most frequently used stitch is the knit stitch. This is the cornerstone of many knitting patterns. Hold your needle with the stitches already created your active stitches in your left hand. The working yarn, the yarn connected to your ball or skein, should be trailing from your work. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch on the left hand needle, from front to back. Then, wrap the working yarn around the right hand needle, bringing the yarn over and around the needle in a clockwise direction. Next, pull the wrapped yarn through the stitch, drawing it through the loop. This will create a new stitch on your right hand needle. Finally, slip the old stitch off the left hand needle. You have successfully created a new knit stitch on your right needle. Next, let's learn the purl stitch. This creates the reverse side of the knit stitch and is equally fundamental. Hold the needles with the stitches on your left hand. Bring the working yarn to the front of your work, positioning it between the needles. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch on the left hand needle, but this time, insert from right to left, moving the needle through the stitch. Wrap the working yarn around the right hand needle. The motion is similar to the knit stitch, but the yarn wraps in the opposite direction. Then, pull the yarn through the stitch, drawing the working yarn through the loop and creating a new stitch on your right hand needle. Finally, slip the old stitch off the left hand needle. Another purl stitch complete.